Hello viewers, how are you guys? Today video we are going to learn about calendar. In previous video we have learned about launchpad, we have learned about dashboard, we learned about conversations, and right now I will explain the calendar, how it's work in a GoHighLevel and how you can use for your bookings and your services as well. So let's go to the calendar. Before the calendars, I just suggest you go to the setting, and here you can go to your business profile. You can link your calendars. There is a different option. There is a Google Meet calendars, and also there is a Microsoft and iCloud's calendar as well. But I can recommend you. You can go with the first option. You can go with the Google Calendar, and after that you can go with the if you don't have a Google Meet, if you don't want a Google Meet, then I recommend you can go with your Microsoft Calendar. These tools are best, and for meeting conferencing, you can use your Zoom account. That would be too great if you can go with this. And right now, let's go to the calendar, and I will explain all the things. There is a two way we can reach out this calendar setting. First is in a menu. You can just click here and reach out, and other is just click on it, and you see there is a calendar. Just click on a calendar, and here you can check all of your calendars that you build for your services and for your class booking and for your interview booking, whatever the booking services is. So right now I have just only one calendar, but I will create another calendar and I will show you. You see there is a few options in calendar. In the first is a group and service menu, rooms and equipments. In a calendar section, we can make a calendars group, and including groups, we can make a service menu. In a later video, I can show you as well what's the service menu and how it's work. So let's create a calendar first, and after that, we will discuss about the other things as well. Right now, here you see there is a five types of calendar here. The first one is a service calendar in which we are going to schedule our service. For example, cleaning service. For example, you can use for medical services, and whatever you providing service, it should be a physical, it should be a virtual. You can use this one is a best calendar. It's a simple calendar. It's for usually for normal booking, for physical events, for shop booking. It's a normal like your Google Calendar, like your Microsoft Calendar. And round robin, it's a most useful calendar in a GoHighLevel that normally we will use. It should be a use for your troubleshooting calls, your booking meetings, your booking appointments, and your booking consultations. That's the best robin, and rounds is the best calendar. And most of all, I think we need to create a group, and after that we will create a calendar here. So let me create group first quickly, and I just group name. We can say that's linked to Aslam and link to Islam group. Okay, and here you can put your description. I just put your description, and neon is the best. You can use classic one as well, and I can just paste the name as well. Okay, it's a group name, link to Islam group. Yeah, I just create a group, and right now we can create a calendar here. And for now, I'm just going with the service calendar. Yeah, here is a service calendar setting. Here you can check all of settings. I will go one by one. Here you can see, put your calendar name. We can say links to Islam calendar for booking. Okay, you can add a description here as well for more explanation about your service. And so I can just put the name here. And so, yeah, I think that's the name. And meeting duration. What's the meeting duration you want? I just go with the 30, and you can show here your availability Monday to Friday, or whenever you time available you can select it. You see there is a time below. We will select our time as well. In the next few clicks I will show you how you can change your local time as well. So availability is, you see, from AM to 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's a standard time for on meeting locations. And here you can put your meeting location. It should be a Zoom, it should be a Meet, whatever you want to put, whatever you want on a meeting you can put here. In advanced setting, we will go into the advanced setting and we will check. Yeah, Now, this is not advanced setting, it's a complete setting. And here you can put your calendar logo and also put your description here. And also you see there is a group. You remember we have create group link to muslimgroup.com. We can just select the group and uh, group. It's like a folder. We will make folder of different videos. We can make folder of different files. So it's work like a folder. So don't be confused about the group. And here you can put meeting invite title. It's a contact name that would be a book the meeting. And yeah, here can the you can put your custom value here and add the locations. And I think yes, full address, whatever you want to track on your meeting locations here, you can put accordingly. And here you can change the colors and everything else. And here we can go with the next, and next you can check your availability and unavailable on a Sunday and unavailable on a Saturday, and Monday to Friday it's a working day. And here if you want a recurring meeting, for example, someone select Monday 12 a.m. and after that you want a recurring meeting on every Monday, then you can enable it. Otherwise you just disable it. Meeting interval means for example you have one meeting in a 30 minutes, and other meeting someone book after the 30 minutes, another meeting someone book after 30 minutes. So it's a meeting interval. Meeting duration is a 30 minutes. And minimum schedule notice is we will select we can say that mm, mm, that's 30 minutes is more than enough. And date range, we are not going to select it. And per day meetings, normally we will leave it a blank. Otherwise, if you have specific time and you want just 2 and 3 meeting per day, you can put your conditions here. And also you can put your maximum booking slot per day. How many slots you want to book per day, you can also select here. And pre-buffers and after buffer time, it's a similar interval. How many times you need to rest for your before and after meeting, you can select here. If you select interval meeting, then no need to select this one. And let's go to the next. And yeah, and here you can put your first name last name in a calendar. After that, when someone select time date, and after that you need to put their name, emails, phone number, last name. Here you can change according to your requirement. And instead of using this by default fields, you can use form as well. You can create form in a separate go high levels, and you can link with it. It's super easy. Right now you see I have 4 form, and I can just link with this form as well. And after that you can change widgets according to your requirement. You can first select the date and time and then form, and you can fill the form, and after select you can date and time. Okay, and here you can see pre-populates fields, and we don't need any pre-populates fields. Consents check. For example, someone book the meeting. You need to confirm their booking, and we will mostly use for it's not booking for reports, and it's a fake booking. So that's why we can use for consent checkbox. It's totally depend on if you want to on, and if you want to off. It's totally depend on you. And confirmation page, and when someone book the meetings, and after that he will be show this message, thank you for appointment. And you can customize it, and otherwise you can make your thank you page in funnels, and you can link with this. And also here we can put our Facebook pixel ID to track how many people come to the calendar and how they book the meetings and how they cannot book the meeting. We can track each and everything here. And also we have here we are here accept the payment. Right now I don't configure any payment method here, so I am not able to select the payment method here. And again we can go here and we will select our notifications, which depend on you can select your user, which user you want to send your notifications. And we should receive your notification contact and emails. We say we will receive on a contact. You want your Google calendars, and you want I think Google calendar is a good. Yeah. Here you see that's the most important features of calendar. Here you can select your calendar. If someone not appear in a meeting, and we will allow them to reschedule their meeting. For example, normally we will we will say that we will give 12 hour if not appear, and in a 12 hour they will reschedule their meeting with the same link. And allow cancellation of meeting. Yeah, on after the booking meeting they can, in a 30 minutes they can cancel their meeting. And additional note, when the meeting is rescheduled and something cancel, then they send these notifications. And yeah, and another thing is a connection. Link your calendar here. Right now we don't have any calendars here, so you can link your calendar like you can link your Google Calendar, Microsoft Calendar, and also you can link your iCloud's calendar as well. It's totally depend on you. Here you see there is all of your accounts. You need to link your Google, and you need to link your other social media payment method here as well. Let's back into the calendar and we will check. And here you can set up your calendar here, and after that we can go to the customization. In a customization, we will upload our cover photo, and in the next few videos I will explain each and everything. I will make service calendar as well, and you will get idea how we can customize this. And after that you can select the which type of calendars you want, neo or classic. It's depend on you, and here you can customize your calendar according to your brand color and according to your logo and according to your brand thoughts. It's totally depend on your brand's identity. So yeah, that's it from this, and I will save this calendar right now. All the functionality is almost same for other calendars as well, but let me make another two calendar as well, so you will get idea how you can make calendar. So right now our this calendar is ready. You see it's not a service calendar, it's a event calendar. And here how it's look, we can check on live as well, so you will get idea how it's look and how the user book their services and how it's work on it, how the confirmations work. You see, I just create the group and I select this group and the calendar in a group. And right now I just yeah, share this one and I just copy this link and I will check this calendar here. Yeah, you see that that's our description, that our title, and that we have select there. And here we can book a calendar, date, time. I also put name and all the stuff informations, and then you can schedule your meeting. Yeah, that's a simple, easy, and how it's work. It's look like. And after that, we can create another two types of calendar. And you see, we will just simple calendar. We will select this round and robin calendar. It's almost the same, but it's mostly used for your. I just go to the. Let me put the name here, and we can say there's a link to round calendar. And you need to select your team member here where you want to show this calendar, and where you send the notification to the calendar. Just put this and duration and availability. It's almost same that we already did in a previous calendar. And yeah, that's it. Your calendar is built, and you can check here, and you can preview the calendar as well. Right now, I don't select any calendars, any group here, and just click here. So much for watching this video. It's a quite long video, and hopefully you like it. And it's good for your learning. And thank you so much for. Let's meet in the next video.